Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will learn how to convert between units of length involving decimals. Can you recall the different units of length? The units of length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Let us first convert between centimeters and millimeters. Do you remember the relationship between centimeters and millimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. What is 2.45 centimeters in millimeters? To convert from centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. We can use a place value chart to help us multiply. When we multiply by 10, each digit shifts one place value to the left. The digit 2 shifts from the ones place to the tens place. The digit 4 shifts from the tens place to the ones place. The digit 5 shifts from the hundreds place to the tens place. 2.45 times 10 is equal to 24.5. So, 2.45 centimeters is equals to 24.5 millimeters. We can also see multiplying by 10 as moving the decimal comma one place value to the right. 2.45 times 10 equals to 24.5. So, 2.45 centimeters is equals to 24.5 millimeters. Now, let us convert from millimeters to centimeters. What is 54 millimeters in centimeters? To convert from millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. Let's use a place value chart to help us again. When we divide by 10, each digit shifts one place value to the right. The digit 5 shifts from the tens place to the ones place. The digit 4 shifts from the ones place to the tens place. 54 divided by 10 is equal to 5.4. So, 54 millimeters is equals to 5.4 centimeters. We can also see this as moving the decimal comma one place value to the left. 54 divided by 10 equals to 5.4. So, 54 millimeters is equals to 5.4 centimeters. Next, let us convert between meters and centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. What is 3.6 meters in centimeters? To convert from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. To multiply 3.6 by 100, we can move the decimal comma 2 place values to the right. Remember to add the placeholder 0. So, 3.6 meters equals 360 centimeters. Now let's convert from centimeters to meters. What is 275 centimeters in meters? Pause and discuss with your friends. To convert from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. To divide 275 by 100, we can move the decimal comma 2 place values to the left. So, 275 centimeters equals 2.75 meters. Finally, let's convert between meters and kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. What is 0.84 kilometers in meters? To convert from kilometers to meters, we multiply by 1,000. To multiply 0.84 by 1,000, we can move the decimal comma 3 place values to the right. So, 0.84 kilometers equals 840 meters. Lastly, let's convert from meters to kilometers. What is 1,500 meters in kilometers? To convert from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. How can we divide 1,500 by 1,000? Pause and discuss with your friends. To divide 1,500 by 1,000, we can move the decimal comma 3 place values to the left. So, 1,500 meters equals 1.5 kilometers. Did you get it right? Today we have learned how to convert units of length involving decimals. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.